here at Spring Gardens Nursery with Isaac. And Isaac, we have got a beautiful succulent. Tell me about these.
This succulent, this particular variety is a portulaca, and it looks more like a purslane because it's got a flat leaf, but is it a portulaca? Look at these beautiful flowers.
They are so delicate looking.
What's nice is these do great where it's hot, dry. They don't like heavy clay soil, so you want to amend the soil, put some good compost. You can almost plant it and forget it, very low maintenance. It'll do well throughout the summer and it comes back as a perennial.
Good in baskets and containers?
Baskets, containers, beds, great as a border, hanging over rocks, kind of softens that hard look. And we have another variety of portulaca. This has a thinner leaf, but it has a bigger bloom. And you can see it's a bicolor. And what's nice about the portulaca is you can do propagation or cuttings.
Fun.
So if you want more than one or several, you can give them to your neighbors. And I'll take this one, just make a little snip on a 45-degree angle. You want to clean that a little bit, and you take your soil, and you want to pull the bud off. You just make like a little hole, and you just kind of stick it in there. Wonderful. And voila, and you can do several, so it's fuller. You can do something like this.
That's
to where you can do several cuttings to where it's fuller. And voila, you have several plants.
And these are beautiful, and they're succulents,
Low maintenance, low water usage, drought tolerant. Gonna do great on a hot sunny day, which we have many here in Houston.
Perfect. We'll figure out where your sunny location is and put in one of these succulents. And this is HomeShowGardenPros.com.